Minsha Kapoor and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share with you my favorite homemade dark chocolate granola recipes. Now, I love eating granola for my breakfast and even as an evening snack because I think it is one of the best ways to get some oats. It has lots of oats, seeds, nuts, and some amazing good quality dark chocolate. I usually eat my granola either with some cold milk in the morning, but I also like to add it on top of my smoothie bowls or my smoothie glasses, and sometimes I just munch on it when I'm craving something sweet or chocolatey. So let's go and see how I make this granola at home, and do like this video if you enjoy it and also share it with your friends who love cooking at home, and let me know in the comments down below if you tried making that granola yourself.